take a look at these two numbers, 5 million and 900,000. These are the number of companies being opened every year in the United States and also in the United Kingdom. Now, I haven't even touched all these other countries. These are just these two countries. Now, we have an opportunity as web designers to design websites for these companies. But if these companies are being opened up, what exactly do they need? What sort of website do they need? Well, they need a website that can either generate them leads or generate them sales. And this is why this video is very, very important if you're buying all these products, Divi, Elementor, Bricks, Etch, and so on. Because at the end of the day, you want to target these businesses that are being opened up, unless, of course, you're just designing websites for fun. So again, what type of websites do we need again? We need websites that produce leads and sales. So as we go further down, we realize that, okay, is it very important to generate leads? Well, the answer to that is yes. I mean, look at this company here, Colombia. I mean, I really like this company. They sell really good products. They are also generating leads. And this is something that we often don't take serious as designers, but it's something that really, really works. So in this case, if you take a look at Colombia, they're saying sign up to receive 10% off, right? And then you need to enter your email address. So you may be wondering, why is it important to enter that email address with that incentive of 10%? Well, the important thing is email is one of the most powerful ways to market to your potential customers. So if you sign up and leave your email address, chances are you'd like to purchase something from Colombia. So when it comes to Black Friday or Easter or whatever end of the year sales, they're able to send you an email to let you know about other promotions, new stock, so that is why that is open. That door is open. So as you start thinking of designing websites, whether you're going to be a freelancer or you want to set up a design agency, you need to be thinking along the lines of generating leads, generating sales for the customers or for your clients. It's very, very important. And knowing how to put all this information together is key to be successful. And this is going to pretty much make you separate from people that just want to go into design for designing, because oftentimes you'll find that a lot of people will be going back and forth about, oh, this builder is better, this one is better, this one is this one is that. But if you get engaged in those type of conversations, you're actually moving away from the real thing, which is learning how to create proper websites which generate either leads or sales. So what sort of websites are these? Well, in terms of sales, you can decide to target customers that want to sell digital products. You can also decide to target customers that want to build e-commerce websites. So whether they're selling digital products or physical products, these are the sort of websites you need to learn how to create. It's very, very important. I mean, we have consultation websites or websites that have some sort of a consultation to it, a course website, a booking website. These type of websites solve a problem, and this is where we need to gear ourselves towards. We want to design this type of websites because they bring value to the companies. So on the lead generation part, of course, we know from a previous example that we can create a discount. It can be a freebie, it can be a coupon. So all these things are things that we can decide to create to get people onto our mailing list. So as I look more and more into this, I start to realize that a lot of people get distracted a lot by looking at different tools that don't really make sense. I've made a list of tools that really make sense this Black Friday and Cyber Monday. I've left the link in the video description below. All the tools that I've suggested there are going to have support. You can join my community on divuniversity.com automatically. Just let me know you've purchased one of those products. Let me know. You join the community and I will give you as much support as I can, because we are building a foundation here of Divi users that want to design these type of websites, because I know that these are the type of websites that are going to help you generate a lot more clients and also make a lot of money. We're going to have templates. We're going to have all the resources that you need. So this Black Friday, Cyber Monday, you need to make sure you purchase hosting. There's two hosting types I highly recommend. Hostinger, you definitely need to get signed up to Hostinger. They have an 85% discount, and the link to that is in the video description below. 2, you need to purchase Divi. I know it's in beta right now, but I've been using it for the past 8-9 months when it first entered into alpha, and I'm telling you, there is a great improvement. I've actually done a video talking about the review and what I think about Divi 5, and it is amazing. Purchase it now, because if you miss this opportunity of getting your lifetime deal, or at least your discount, you're going to miss out a lot, because this is the only time you can get Divi at a discount, or in fact pretty much all these products at a very high discount. So get those two. Get also xCloud. xCloud is very, very powerful as well if you want to build high traffic websites, high intensity websites. xCloud is also on the list. You also need things like Sure Forms or Fluent Forms. You need Fluent Cards. You need Fluent Community. All these products solve these problems that we're talking about here. They make it very easy to integrate, very easy to set up. I've been using all these products on my own website, and they've been working well. So I am teaching you how to combine these and also show you how to put all these together in our Divi University community. So when you purchase this, you're not alone. You become part of a community, and when you have any questions, you're stuck, you'll have a community that can help you out as well. So go ahead, the list is in the video description below, and like I said, I'm going to provide support for it. So you need to start thinking about designing websites in that framework. Think about how the customer is going to benefit from the website you're going to design for them. And you know what? Some of these products we have here, they may seem like they're very expensive, like $1,000 for 50 websites. And let me give you a scenario. Can you imagine going to a customer or a client and saying to them, look, I'm going to design you a website that's going to give you a lot of leads, which you can then follow up and close. If you're giving them sales every single month and they're able to close on that, and they're making a profit, why would they cut off your web design services? Why would they? They wouldn't, because that website is bringing them money. Imagine a brick and mortar company. They're selling products, but your website that you've created is generating them sales even at night, and they're making money from that website. Do you think that client will turn it down? No. You could actually design a website for a client, and minimum charge for these type of businesses is $2,000, $3,000. And for a license that costs $1,000, you're going to make your money back from selling one website. The rest is profit. So look at this and look at these prices more from a business standpoint. I wouldn't recommend that you go and buy 50 websites if you're just designing your own websites. No, that's a waste of money. Think of it as a business. Even if you want to partner with someone, you design the websites and you sell them, this will be the best way, and this is the best time to get all these sales. So think about it. Let me know what you think in the video description below. Until next time, thanks for watching, and I'll see you again in the next one. Take care.